What's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy Terrence Gibson here with another awesome COTPS video. Kicking butt, taking names, growing. Glory go to God. Honor, everything goes to God. People, you are doing an excellent job. You can get the honor, but the glory goes to God because my team is kicking butt and taking names. People. So right now in our contract, we were at 1331. It is 1131, 1331, baby bug. What? Oh, okay. Well, we're at 1130, which is still good. I don't even know what that was. My bot ran at 1122, so we're going to do 1145. We're going to do our withdrawal for today since it's early. I'm trying. It hasn't been 24 hours, and I did come back in and do another withdrawal last night from COTPS because I wanted to round off exactly what I was going to send to Kraken. See, I did a 355 just last night, like right after I did this one, like $300 some just came through. I was like, shoot, I should have waited and got it. But I was like, hold up, you can withdraw after the withdrawal. So why am I acting like I gotta wait for the next day? So I just did it again. And so I did 2 withdrawals in one day. So here we're going to go ahead and go to my team, see where we're at for today. So we got 1175 for level 1. We're going to level 2. So 25. Let's go back to that real quick. 22,576 just from level 1. 22 G's, people. 22 G's. And in the beginning, we didn't withdraw all of that money. We actually just put it back in. But I ain't put much back in because we've been withdrawing like crazy too. So that's my whole thing with COTPS. So what I'm doing is, obviously, you know, I have a whole lot of things going on. COTPS is the one I'm withdrawing. All the rest of them I'm using to build the rest of them, like grow them to the point where they pay out like COTPS. So to the point where this is going to be 7-figure year, people, 7-figure year, and you got to speak that thing, regardless of where you at. Because look at this right now. Think about it. Let's look at this. And that's 6,000, right? And that's my level 3, paid out 6,000. That's my people's. And then 7,000 on level 2. So level 3 is catching up. So that's 13,000 altogether right there. And 22. So that puts me at 35,000 and probably some change. Of course, you can see the 576. I didn't even calculate all the changes. I was just looking at where we was at. So that's like $30,000 just in withdrawal money that we withdrew. And then plus all the other things that we have going on that we're building. And if you look at the whole wealth prospect of it all, it turns out to be a lot. Now, what you withdraw is probably not going to be the whole thing. But if you know you have that much money in context, it's just awesome just to have it, just to know that you have it. You look at it, 24 cents back in already. That's what I'm saying. You know what? That's what despise not for small beginnings. Despise not that 94 cents. You know what I'm saying? Because it's coming back. It's growing. That 94 cents is growing. So that means people on my 3rd level did a little bit more than the people on my 1st and 2nd level because that's more money in that little bit of time frame. So now what we do is go back. We'll see the total we'll be bringing out. 1929 people for start. This ain't even been 24 hours. So we have 1929 because we did it way after church yesterday. I can't remember what time we did it yesterday on the video, but I'm not going to even let this video be long enough to go back and figure it out. So what we do now is we go back here. I was at the gym this morning, so I need to go ahead and turn my cellular data off. My Wi-Fi is off too. Okay. So Wi-Fi is on, cellular data is off, airplane mode is off. I just want to I don't mind doing it twice. I just want to start seeing if it's going to start coming through. Just coming through. You know what I'm saying? Without even having to do all that extra stuff. So we go to withdrawal. Go 1929. So that's the first day of this week. We doing our withdrawal. Send verification. Oh, it don't even need the picture today. So we rolling straight through this. Message has been sent. Let's see what's gonna happen. Boom! It hit 798276. 798276. If you have the faith as small as a mustard seed, you can say to that mountain, be thou removed, and it be removed and cast into the sea. Faith walk, people. Right, so we got it in there. We're gonna go ahead and submission, click confirm. We're not messing with that. And then of course we're just waiting for it to process on this end. So 1929, waiting for that to process on that end. Like I said, COTPS is growing like crazy. I definitely have to, either I have a whole lot more people on my third level, or some of the people that on my second level brought in a whole lot of money. One of the two. You know what I'm saying? That's all I can say. Because my third level it's growing pretty fast. And it just grows the income. Just the more and more your team builds, and your team's team build, and your team's team build, the more your residual is going to be on a daily basis. And that's why I only just withdraw from there. I mean, look what we're drawing on a daily basis. So, I mean, I can build everything else. You know what I'm saying? And I don't use this money to build something else. I just use this to withdraw. And then I use something from somewhere else to build something else. And that's why when you get your 6, 7 income streams, that you'll have all these things in place where you can do what you need to do. Where you do what you need to do. So, I don't know if I want to wait on here long enough for this unprocessed to say processed. Completed, because sometimes it could take 10, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever it takes. As long as it clears, man, like I said, we've been in business, you get paid once a month. So if you can't wait 15 minutes, something ain't right. Something ain't right, especially when you understand the fact that all these people are coming in here. People at the top didn't stop recruiting for this. They're still recruiting. They're still bringing people in. You know what I'm saying? So remember, you got your help center. I don't think it's nothing there yet. Customer service, you click on that. No, the help center has like a little frequent ask questions. And customer service, you click on that, it'll open up and you can talk to the people, the customer service people. They're pretty quick at getting back to you too. You really must just open and ask your question and just wait for somebody to pop up. That's pretty awesome too. Like I said, for this amount of people, but there's not so much that you need to really talk to them, because it's not, they made this so simple. You come in, you check your transaction, see how much money you got. You go here to the miner, you see what your team, see what your team is doing, see what your team is making. Because you can see all kind of stuff. You can see your team's incomes and just different things that they are making. So level 3, level 2, level 1, and you just keep going more. So it shows everything that they've, like when I just withdrew, these are the 3 I just withdrew. And it's all here. There's a lot of things that I'm just going over now just to cultivate the time so you can see it say complete. It's there. That's it. That's it, people. We're about to go. I know it's not fast enough to already had got to Kraken yet. Let's see. Let's do my email show. Because I am definitely serious. I don't want to. It's a lot of things I'm gonna stop showing in my videos. Well, probably just a few things I'm gonna stop showing. Good to know. It's another streaming that we're in. Talking about they finally started. Yeah. So hey, like I said, COTPS, kicking butt, taking names. If I go to my Kraken account right now, this should be saying confirming, pending, confirming, and then it'll go through it. Then it'll be in there. Around the same time that my withdrawals. I do them on Sunday. Like, so if you have Kraken and you in the US and you do withdrawals, do not do it on the weekend. Do them Now, if you got like USAA or something like that, that's like virtual, but really not got a store, but they're virtual, they might work different. But if you got Bank of America, like I had Bank of America, you do it on Monday morning at 9 o'clock, between 9 and 10, and then you'll definitely have it by the next morning. But if you do it on Sunday, you might not get that money till Wednesday. Don't understand it, not trying to understand it. I'm just trying to tell you what you do. So if you got a regular bank, and sometimes you do withdrawals on the weekend, and they don't come until Wednesday, try doing your withdrawals Monday morning when the bank is open. That's why I say 9 o'clock, because the bank is definitely open. I'm EST, 9 o'clock. I do my withdrawals in the morning. Withdrawals in the morning, people. All right, people. So we see that's completed. Let's see. See if I get my I don't mind showing you the email if that comes through. But if it doesn't, it is what it is. Let's see. Let's do one more refresh. Okay. Like I said, yeah, you gotta do them early in the morning. So I did it 9:08, but I split them up. I split my things up. I just don't like to try to withdraw more than, you can't. I don't like to withdraw more than 9999 at one time. So you split them up. So let's try this one more time. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll put it off on the side over here. And then I will refresh my Kraken account, log into it from my Google. One thing I love about these accounts is if you ain't on them, they shut down. And a lot of people, you need to make sure you got accounts that shut down, because you got some creative children. You know what I'm talking about. Yeah, so it says confirming. And my withdrawal say pending. Yeah. So it's on its way in there. And confirming. So it'll be there momentarily, actually. 5 to 10 minutes for that. So COTPS, people, kicking butt, taking names, growing. I mean, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and like 70 days. Well, actually, if you add that to that, I took that out last night. See, two in the same day, 24. Like I can come on here every 4 hours on withdrawal if I want to. What's the sense on all that? And then Kraken, they're gonna hit me with the fees every time it comes out. So no, I'll just wait, do one big one. It's probably gonna add up to be the same amount in fees. Let's just do it every 24 hours. Make it fun, give me a chance to do a video, and just keep growing this thing. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, beautiful people, COTPS. If you're not in here, I don't know what planet you live on or what information you're getting. But hey, it's kicking butt, taking names. Let's go. God bless people.